Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to create a stunning carousel in Wix. Perfect for showcasing your favorite images, products, or any content you want to highlight on your website. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to add an eye-catching slider, customize it with your own images, and tweak it so it fits perfectly into your design. Whether you're showing off your art portfolio, a product range, or special event photos, a carousel can add a lot of interactivity and visual interest to your Wix site. All right, let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Wix website editor. Take a moment here to look at your page and think about where you want your carousel to live. Is it going up top as a centerpiece? Or maybe nestled further down to complement other content? Planning its placement can really help your whole layout feel balanced. Now, once you've figured out the spot, go ahead and add a new section to your page. This is like drawing a new box for the carousel to sit in. In Wix, sections help organize content and give you more control over spacing. If you've never added a section before, just hover where you want it, click Add Section, and pick a layout that suits the vibe you're aiming for. Don't worry too much. You can always adjust this later. Next up, let's bring in the carousel element. You'll do this by clicking Add Elements, which opens up a menu full of different goodies you can drop into your site. Since we want something visual that rotates through images, look for the Gallery option. Galleries in Wix come in several styles, but for a true carousel effect, you'll want to choose the Slider Gallery. This option gives you that smooth, swipeable set of images. Very modern and interactive. Once you click Slider Gallery, Wix will pop it onto your page. At this point, the gallery may appear a bit too small or too big for your needs. No worries. Just grab the edges and resize the carousel so it fits the section. Take your time with this. Imagine how it will look not just on desktop, but on mobile devices too. Adjusting the size now will save you headaches later. Now, for the fun part, customizing the images inside your carousel. Click Change Images on the gallery. Here's where you can add new images, remove ones you don't want, and organize everything just the way you like. Think about the story you're telling. Maybe you're highlighting a product's features, or showcasing a series of client testimonials. Your selection really matters. To add a new image, hit Add. Wix gives you flexibility here. You can either upload an image from your own device or tap into Wix's vast media library if you want something quick and royalty-free. So, if you haven't prepped all your images yet, don't sweat it. For personal photos or branded graphics, just upload directly. For stock shots, browse Wix's sources and pick whatever feels right. Once you've selected an image, just click to add it, and the carousel will update instantly. And that's it. Your carousel is now live on your Wix site. You can move things around or keep customizing, maybe add captions, tweak the transition effects, or explore more advanced settings if you're feeling adventurous. Take a moment to preview your site and see how the carousel looks to your visitors. Remember, you can always come back and update your images or settings as your content evolves. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and drop a like. It really means a lot. If you have any questions or you want tips for making your carousels even more dynamic, leave a comment below and I'll be happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more clear, friendly tutorials on getting the most out of Wix and your website designs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.